I was trying to put the clutch in, I done pressed the damn brake. I lost her in. Them bitches bad. I used to want one.
It's a hell of a truck.
I don't even know if I went and got up in a boost.
You got in there, want to go this way. It's a hell of a truck.
I don't know what's going on. This car make you want to speed, but mine don't.
What?
My car, I mean, it
That's a lot.
this one just go by itself. This is so uncomfortable, D.
I know it, Kevin.
Like, the cord's on my leg down there.
Yeah, I know. In the way. You know it's gonna pull up.
And this one, the computer in my way.
This is speed gonna be heat.
That to do with the Magnum, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a Magnum murder running the yard. Yeah, it got a trailer on it. Man, cut it out.
I'm gonna need alignment. Nah, it just me. I'm gonna say it's spinning. It really need a short throw.
Yeah,
I had to make sure I'm in the gear. No, what they doing at Super Skate?
They skate.
In the middle of the
A whole
day?
bunch of, bro, it look like everybody got their family down. You seen it with no like small cars. Everybody had GMC Yukons and Escalades and all type of stuff.
Yeah.
Anything that would fit like 7 people in. He got the big Gulp or the bigger?
It ain't just a big go. I don't even think about getting over. You felt it like kind of hesitating when it got to 6,000, like 65?
Yeah, I don't know what that was. It sounded like it tried to break up or something. Is it still going?
Yeah. It kind of like it's spinning at 6,000 and jumping at 65. The wheels are spinning and it's like jumping. Damn, I broke my finger. I did like this. It's like it's spinning over there. One day I'm gonna see my friend over there again. I'm gonna have to have some fun with him. Hopefully I'm in my car. What you think? Bust a U-turn over there, get a little sideways and it's just one. This car is a 3 gear. It's a 3-speed manual.
basically. You only got 3 years to use. Everything else is going to go crazy.
Exactly.
Anything else, you're basically going to top speed run.
No, look at that smart car, blacked out.
That's a new one too. This car like, well, I gotta check the gear ratio out, cause it seemed like this first gear dang near almost as long as your first gear steel.
I need
Like
to see
you would think
it.
you would chop it up some more.
And then it ain't even like going where I go. I go to 75.
What rockers he got? I mean, what lifters he got? Probably show at the point.
I think so.
Oh, caddy.
It just went to 60 in first.
Exactly what it's doing.
What?
That was 60 in first and you need maxing out.
Yeah, it was spinning at like, it dropped back down to 55 at like 6,000, but shit. I mean, we need to get that smoker for that Toyota.
Yeah. Car definitely puts a smile on your face now.
Yeah, you're right about that.
Don't stop it before everyone stops. Before it mess up, just pick it up. And make sure you pick up even.
Red Z06. So we're gonna get that tune file sent off, and yeah. So I mean, this is a vet that I built a couple months ago. I did post if I'm not mistaken, I did post a YouTube video on it. If not, then I need to go post it, and we'll go edit and post it. I have to check and see though. I can't really too much remember. I don't know why. I left it in neutral. So it's got a K-Tech 103 throttle body, a 2.3 upper supercharger pulley, a Roto Fab big Gulp intake, cold air intake. Got a wideband sensors, got Kooks headers, 2-inch headers. And then it's got the GPI Stage 1 Supercharged cam and head kit. Oh, with a flex field kit as well. So yeah.